Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off and disable auto dubbing on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open YouTube Studio. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Once you're in, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. A new window will appear. From the left-hand menu, click on Upload Defaults. Then go to the Advanced Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Automatic Dubbing section. Uncheck the box that says Allow Automatic Dubbing. Then click Save. This will turn off automatic dubbing for your future uploads. Now, while YouTube doesn't currently offer a one-click setting to turn off auto dubbing for all videos entirely, you can manually switch the audio while watching a video. If a video is playing with a dubbed voice, tap the settings gear icon on the video player. Then tap Audio Track, and if there's an option like Original or the creator's native language, select that. YouTube will then play the video in its original voice instead of the dubbed version. And that's it. That's how to turn off and disable auto dubbing on YouTube. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.